Hello everyone, it's Elle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing some makeup as well as a hair tutorial. As you have seen from the title, today's tutorial is on Daisy Ridley's Ophelia look. I watched Ophelia yesterday, and for those of you who don't know, it's a retelling of Hamlet from Ophelia's point of view. The film starred Daisy Ridley as Ophelia and was directed by Claire McCarthy. I thought it was absolutely fantastic. I thought that because I think it really gave Ophelia the narrative she deserved and presented her as a very modern, forward-thinking and very clever woman, which I think really needs to be put into portrayals of Ophelia nowadays, to show that she is a woman who can belong in a modern world with its modern values, with women and female empowerment. So this hairstyle is very simple to do, and it also consists of a very simple makeup look. So what you're going to need for the hair is, you're probably going to need a comb and some hairpins, hair ties, sorry, and some hairpins. So what I've done beforehand is I've curled my hair and I put it into plaits, so it's given me that wavy effect. Also, as you may have seen from pictures of her online, and I'll put pictures of the look at the end, she was wearing a wig that was very, very long and would come down to her hip. My hair is no way that length, so I'm just going to have to make do with what I've got. So to start off with, you're going to take your comb and you are going to get a section of hair right in the corner here. So ideally what you want to think about is, you want this sort to be like a think of this as a triangle or a right angle. So once you've got your little bit there, just give it a little comb. And I'm not sure how they did this in the film, but I am going to do a Dutch plait. So if you don't know what a Dutch plait is it's just plait going under instead of over, which is what you would do for a normal plait. So I'm just gonna get started and start plaiting. So once you've finished plaiting, you're just going to take a hair tie. I'm using a brown one. Is that my brown one? No, that's I'm going to use my black one to hold this one, and I'm just going to tie it off just to keep it nice and safe and secure, so that it doesn't loosen as I'm doing the other side. Right, so with this bit done, let's move on to the next one. Right, so now that you've plaited as far as you can go on the other side, you are just going to take these two bits that you've plaited and you're going to tie them off together. Now what you want to try and do is to tie them off as close to the hairline as you can. I should have said Daisy Ridley wore this hairstyle through the majority of the film, including scenes where you first see her in the water, and as this is the look that she wears for the majority of the film, that's why I chose to do this one. So I'm just going to turn around and see, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Now that that's done, I'm just going to take some pins and I'm just going to pop any lumps and bumps down, and then we can get on with makeup. Okay, so now that we've popped the pins in, now we can start on makeup. So I've got my set out in front of me. I use number 7 makeup because that's just my favourite style. Well, not really style, but that's my favourite brand because their products feel really light on my skin, and I think they're cruelty-free, but I'm not 100% sure. So, okay, so the first step, what I'm going to do first is to put the Early Defense Day Cream. So this is the moisturiser that you put on first, and this just helps to help the foundation like all nice and smooth when you put it on. So you only want a little bit, you don't want too much. So you really work that into your skin and just where your ears are. Okay, so that's the day cream. The next step is the foundation. So this is the brush that I use. This is the foundation I have. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my left hand, and I'm just going to just gently put on the foundation. I've got a mirror here, so I might just turn my head at points just so I can just see what it looks like as it's going on. So sorry if you can't see me very well as I'm doing the makeup. Foundation. The next bit I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Hydra Luminous Concealer just to put over little red bits and dark patches under my eyes. I mean, I say cover up, but then often I'm not very good at it. And the dark circles I have underneath my eyes come through anyway. That's on. I'm next going to, oops, oh, that was my comb, I don't need it, don't worry. I'm going to take the powder that I have, and I'm just gonna pop it all over my face. The powder is just so that the foundation stays on. I quite like this brush because it feels really tickly against me. So next we're going to do your cheeks. So this just needs to be very subtle. This is the colour that I'm using for my cheeks, number 7. And I'm just going to gently pop a little bit on and just pop it up and down here and just nice and quick motion. And then I'm going to just do the same on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are a different shape to Daisy Ridley's. So it's not going to be a exact replica, but this is, I'm doing my best. So this is what I'm using for my eyebrows. And I'm just going to sort those out. That's eyebrows done. So now I'm going to start work on my eyes. So I'm going to start off with this palette here. This is very old. I've had it quite a while, so I might need to get a new one, but this really light shade is what I'm going to use first. So I'm just going to pop this bit just underneath the eyebrow line. Can mix a bit of the one next to it. going to mix a little bit of this one as well, and a bit of brown. Just going to swipe them through, blend them in. So as you can see, this is all very, very subtle makeup. So I'm next going to take this one here. This is originally a blusher, but I quite like to use this as an eyeshadow sometimes. I'm just going to paint that in and I'm going to take a tiny little bit of this and pop it on top as well. It's going to pop a little bit under my eyes as well. So now that you've done that, I'm next going to take my eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I can get hold of them. Now that I've got my eyelashes, I'm going to take my mascara. You probably could use eyeliner if you wanted to. I'm not going to, because I'm just a bit worried that I'll mess up the look if I try and use eyeliner. So I'm going to... Oh, this isn't a number 7 mascara, this is a Charlotte Tilbury mascara. Okay, so now that I've done the mascara, I'm now going to do my lips. I'm just going to take a brush and I'm going to start with this lip gloss as a base. This is a Revlon lip gloss. I'm just going to take the lid brush here and I'm just going to paint and then I'm just going to gently pop on the gloss. I'm going to try and accentuate my Cupid's bow. So now I'm going to take this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and I'm going to pop that on top. And next, finally, I'm just going to pop a little bit of this shade of pink on top, just a tiny bit. So, that's it. I'll give you a turn. This was a recreation of Daisy Ridley's hair and makeup from Ophelia. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was really nice to add makeup into it as well as hair. If you've liked this video, please hit that like button. Please feel free to subscribe so you'll get a notification of when I do my next video. Thank you very much and I'll see you soon. Bye!